Hi guys, welcome to couponing. This is Split Rose. How are you? I'm here in my home and my niece is here with her friend and they came over to get items from my couponing room. Oh yes they did. I'm walking here because I'm closing off these blinds in my living room. Close that one off. Okay? And I want to show you some of the items that they purchased from my stockpile room. And I know what you're saying, but I have to replenish, don't I? I have to replenish my stockpile room. So yeah, I charged them a little something just so that I can go shopping again. That's how you do it. Okay? All right, guys, I'm going to let you see some of the items that they purchased. Okay guys, this is some of the items that they purchased, and it's all bagged up. I'm not going through the bags to let you see, but just to let you know that these are some of the items that they got, okay? Oh yeah. Oh, one left over there too. Alright, but I don't know where Selena is. She must be hiding. You want to be in the video? She said no, she's going over here. Where's Selena? Oh, there she is. Okay. Okay, the stuff is being taken out and put in the car. Let me move it over here closer to. They bought toys, fabric softener, detergent. Yep, this is out on my porch. I'm just moving it closer so she can get it. Wait. Okay, she's over there putting it in the car. It's dark out here already. I'm going back in. Okay.